Hello and welcome to week 3 of English 111 online, Johnston Community College, fall 2020. What are we doing for week 3? We're having fun is what we're doing. Yes. So we are going to be reading a short story called Sister Flowers, also known as Mrs. Flowers, or anyway, by Maya Angelou. Fantastic story. That's found right here. You just click on this link and it will take you to the reading. There is a quiz on descriptive writing, which again you can find information in your textbook on descriptive writing. Pretty much straightforward, again, kind of common sense, and again you can take the quiz up to 2 different times. So again, you've known how to take a quiz. What else are we going to be doing? Oh, there is a discussion board on Sister Flowers. So after you read the story of Sister Flowers, you're going to go to Collaboration. Because remember, this is where the discussion board is found. Yeah. We did the discussion board back in like week 1 when we said, who are you? Well, now we're going to do the one on Sister Flowers. So here's the information. So there's like 3 questions that you get to answer about this thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to have an initial post of at least 300 words. And then you should respond to at least 2 of your classmates' posts with 200 words each. So what you're going to do, again, is you just click on this link right there. And you would create a thread, and then in your initial post, my post, you will answer these questions. And again, the answers, not 300 words per question, but overall, at least 300 words. Read through the story maybe a couple of times, and you can answer these questions. And then when you're done with that, you'd hit submit. Once you've submitted your story, you'll see other people's posts. You're going to read at least 2 other peers and see what they had to think, and then respond to them, and with at least 200 words. So that's how we do the discussion board. And again, we are in week 3. So please note, as far as the dates, again, this is one of those situations where the first post has to be done by Friday so that people will have the ability to respond to it by the following Monday. So once again, most of the assignments are due on Mondays, but we do have some of the discussion boards where the posts are due on that Friday ahead of time. Okay, so make sure you put that in your calendar, tattoo it to your forehead, whatever you need to do to remember it. Okay, and then last but not least is their portfolio assignment. Okay, so as we're working up to our first paper, we're reading about different stories because we're going to be writing our own story called A Narrative, which is coming up, so get excited for that. And Portfolio 3 is going to kind of help us with that, where you're going to explore this prompt of at least 300 words. This is a story about the time I blank, and then you can really write about whatever you want to write about, okay? But again, you want to make sure, why is this story important to you? That's the whole thing of, think about it. Have you ever had a conversation with someone when they're telling you a story and you're thinking, what's your point? Why are you telling me this? Okay, we don't want to have that happen when we're writing stories. So that's the thing. And okay, so this is the last time I'm going to show you this, but hopefully this will be enough. When it comes to the portfolio, how am I going to write my submission? Ooh, down here? No! I've told you many times, do not type in the comments. You're going to click on Write Submission and then type it here. Okay. Please, after the 3rd portfolio, we really should have this figured out. Okay? Can you tell that I get a little frustrated because students, don't sometimes follow directions? Because part of school is not only just, we're not checking off boxes, oh, I got this done. We're learning on how to think and also how to follow directions, because these are skills that we will use for the rest of our lives. So that's the thing. Anyway, so that is it for week number 3. All right, and get it done.